Welcome to this quick informative video showcasing the scanning and sandboxing functionality in PolySwarm. The objective with this functionality is to gain insight into whether a file is malicious or not and to find sandbox metadata that is of value to you and your team. In this scenario, a PDF file has been sent to all employees at the company. Some have already downloaded this file, so time is of the essence to understand if it is malicious or not and to understand if we can take any actions to block the malware's outreach to malicious domains if it is malicious. PolySwarm offers the ability to upload the PDF to be scanned to understand if it is malicious and then run an on-demand sandbox to find related germs to the artifact. We'll walk you through how to do all of that here. Jumping into PolySwarm, either on the home page or scan page, you can upload any locally stored file. In our case, the suspicious PDF to be scanned and sandboxed. After the scanning has completed, you get presented with the scan summary page, which has information like the verdict from participating AV engines and a unified polyscore and malware family name. There are tabs on this page relating to the static tools used for further insight. Now that we know the file is malicious, let's sandbox the artifact to understand if there are any dropped files or outreaches to malicious domains. While on this summary page, click on the on-demand sandboxing icon to start the sandboxing process. Choose the desired sandbox provider and detonation image and click Submit. Navigate into the Sandbox menu, and then My Sandboxing will present you with the list of sandbox submissions, including this recent one. Wait for the status to change to Success. This may take some time. Then click on the Action button to bring you to the Sandbox summary page. If you look at the Network tab, you can see IP addresses, domains, or, in our case, germs that have been associated with this detonation. You can now use this information accordingly to defend your organization. You'll also see a lot more metadata here in this sandboxing page, like signatures and the ability to download PCAP files, etc. Thanks for watching this short video on using PolySwarm to scan a file and sandbox it to gather valuable intelligence for your organization. We look forward to seeing you on our next video. If you have any questions or want to speak to the PolySwarm team, feel free to reach out to us by email at customersuccess@polyswarm.io.